Hello everyone, Halo Lifts here. Today I'm going to walk you through how to use the Halo Lifts 8,000 pound full rise scissor lift. Let's get started here with the control panel. You have your on switch, which you'll turn clockwise. Green power button means we have power and we're ready to begin operating the lift. There's 3 control buttons that you have here. You have the up button, the down button, and the lock button. So the up button, press and hold that, raises the lift up. The down button, if the lock is not engaged, if you press and hold that, it'll bring the lift down. Please notice that when you first press the down button, the lift will come up a little bit to disengage the lock in case it's in a locked position to bring the lift down. Now, once you have the lift at the appropriate height and you're ready to begin getting under the car and working on it, you'll want to press and hold the lock button, which will automatically engage the locks at the next position. Now, no matter how much I try to come down, this lift is not going to come down. The next point is, how do we come down once we've engaged the locks? You'll need to use the up button to go up. Once you visually confirm here that the locks are disengaged, then you'll press and hold the down button. And as you can see, we're able to bring the lift all the way down. Thank you for joining us today, and we appreciate your business.